Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add WhatsApp button on your Shopify store. Open your dashboard and click on apps, then search for a WhatsApp. So you will go to Shopify app store where you can scroll down and click on Ease WhatsApp button. So click on it, scroll down to install button. So check the developer is GTY AG. So this is the developer of this Shopify button. So click on install button. Click on install button. So WhatsApp button will be added in your Shopify dashboard. Click on setting of WhatsApp button. Complete the setup of WhatsApp button. Enter your Shopify store number so a client can contact with you via this number. You can also create a custom message using message setting. On scrolling down, the appearance section will come. So there are three different types of button styles. For example, a logo text button. The second one is a circle button, logo circle button. The third one is the agent circle button. So you can put your desired image on Shopify button. On scrolling down, the button size and color options are for pro users. On scrolling down, the placement option will come. So you can also position your WhatsApp button on your store according to your desire. Also, you can change the setting from left to right or right to left, and also there is option of top to bottom. So you can move your Shopify button according to your desire. You can also check using a live preview option. So the next option is visibility. Select both option on visibility, then scroll down. There are many options for pro version. So click on save. The setting will be saved. Setting is complete. Now scroll up to show the WhatsApp button on your Shopify store. On general section, the WhatsApp button is disabled. Now enable it. Click on enable. So we will redirect to embedded option. Enable the WhatsApp chat button. So you can see the WhatsApp button on both mobile and desktop screen. So save on it. Setting is completed successfully. So your button is appearing successfully on your Shopify store. Please subscribe my channel for more updates.